Okay.
Hey girl, how you doing?
This is pretty. Wow. Wow. Oh, that is so pretty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Is it TV? Oh, that's big.
Hey, how you doing?
That is humongous. Oh my
Can I
God.
take you on a tour of your home?
Yes. Wow, this is a beautiful floor too. This one you put this down here?
This is your floor.
This is the floor? This is the floor. We never knew we had a floor that looked like this.
Come see the rest of the house.
Okay. Well, I'm looking at this television.
Look how bright it is.
I know. And he put those, that was over here. He put that here. And he put the 3 lights there. Now you can see now here.
Yeah.
Right?
Uh-huh.
That's the house.
Let me see, wait a minute, look at here. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Go see your room there.
Oh. Brady might take this room, I don't know.
I don't have it.
Huh? No. Wow. This is different. This is so much. This is so nice.
Let's go to the hall and the bathroom.
Oh, you want to stop in here?
Storage.
Oh.
Their bathroom.
Oh. Oh my God. What? Oh my goodness. Honey, wait, stand up. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This is not the same bathroom. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this sink here. Look at this. Oh my boy. That is too cute. Look at this keto. And the mirror, now I can see the mirror. You know, before we had to do this kind of like looking in the mirror. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Huh? And look at the bathtub. Yes. It's level. Wow. This is
You
beautiful.
got the light upstairs.
Huh?
So you got the upstairs.
Oh,
you got the
my
light up on the
goodness.
ceiling.
This is so
And the
nice.
tub.
This is so nice. Oh my
Come
goodness.
see your new kitchen.
Oh my God.
Oh, girl.
Huh?
Big.
Oh my God. Come on, man.
Come see your new kitchen.
Oh! Look at this. Oh my God.
Oh, look at the big door.
Oh my God. Look at real. Oh my God. This is because I said I wanted that door. You didn't have to do. Oh my goodness.